folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 1st, 2018, and today I want to share with you a YouTube creator and a website blogger who shares recipes. And her name is Jill Dalton. And Thea and I use her as a resource every single week. And we try her diets, and then we've got the ones that we've already tried that we really love. And there's comfort foods there. She's made transitions from those foods that have unhealthy components, so not nutrient dense, but calorically rich and poor nutrients, such as refined sugars and oils and all of those sorts of things, which are loaded with calories but very few nutrients. So she's replaced those with some whole food substitutes, and they are amazing. Some of these foods are just amazing. So I thought I'd share this with you because I think that there's probably a lot of people that really say, geez, eating this way, I mean, gag me with a spoon. I really don't want to eat food that doesn't taste good. I don't want to eat rabbit food and eat all this fiber rich. I'd rather die earlier and eat happy. And I know these are conversations that I've had with friends and family, and I absolutely appreciate that. But one of the things I'd say is we really enjoy the food tremendously, especially diets like some of the recipes that Jill shares with you. So there may be some confusion because some of her videos may start off with talking about, oh, the nutritarian cooking show. And nutritarian, that term was coined by Dr. Joel Fuhrman, who is an author and has also been promoting a healthy lifestyle approach to boosting our immune system, to living a longer, healthier life. A lot like some of the other stuff that I've been promoting. In other words, eating your way to health instead of eating your way to the standard American diet and chronic disease and an early death. So one of the terms that Dr. Fuhrman has talked about is, which is similar in some ways to Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen. Dr. Fuhrman has what's called the G-bombs, which is he promotes eating every single day to promote your immune system, eating greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, and berries and seeds. So that's your G-bombs, the greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. The only thing I would modify with that, I would change the name onion with, alliums. Of course, that'd make it G-bams, I guess. And the alliums includes the garlic, which is really so these allium group of plants. So the cruciferous vegetables and the alliums are so potent at fighting cancer and other chronic inflammatory diseases. However, what he said is absolutely excellent. So back to Jill. Jill's website has quite a few delicious and nutritious foods. So she's eliminated the refined sugars, the oils. She's actually doing a gluten-free recipes as well for those people who have celiac disease. So I think that her website is really worth taking the time and going and seeing her website and her YouTube videos, trying out a couple of those recipes to try and replace some of the less healthy ones, like the ice creams, the soda pops, certainly the refined sugars and cakes and cookies and brownies. Well, she has cakes and cheesecakes and hard cheese, jalapeno brick cheese, all of these things. And do these taste exactly like the replacements? No, some of them I think taste much better, and some are a good, reasonable replacement. The 7-layer beam and sour cream and cheese, the Mexican dish that you eat with chips. Well, we love that, but the cheese is replaced with, and the sour cream is replaced with whole food, replacements, which makes that dish much healthier for you to be eating. So I just wanted to share this. I think that Jill has done a fantastic job with her YouTube channel and her website. Absolutely amazing. And I thought it'd be worthwhile sharing some recipes that she's authored that we absolutely love and that you could try out to make your transition to a healthier lifestyle one bit easier. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm certainly interested in other, plant-based, whole food, nutritious recipes that people that are creating these recipes as well. This is a growing area on YouTube and on the World Wide Web. So I'm sure there's plenty of other places. I'll be sharing other sites that I think that help to live a more sustainable life. Things that are, some of the ways that we use to decrease the chemicals brought into our household, all of those sorts of things. I'll be creating videos introducing other websites that may help you as well, besides what we're doing here on our site. So if this was of value, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. Let's get the word out there, and let's all try to live a happier, healthier lifestyle. Well, thanks so much for watching, folks. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.